Imagine a fountain that flows continuously without electricity, batteries, motors, or any external source of power. At first glance, it seems impossible. Yet this remarkable invention has fascinated people for nearly 2,000 years. Welcome to the world of Heron's fountain, one of the most elegant demonstrations of physics ever created. What makes this fountain truly extraordinary is its simplicity. It can be built using nothing more than a few recycled plastic bottles, drinking straws, a small plastic tube, and some hot glue. Ordinary household materials are transformed into a device that appears to defy logic. The fountain consists of a series of connected containers forming a sealed system. At the top is a small bowl where water is poured. Once the water begins to flow, an invisible chain of events is set into motion. As water travels downward into a lower bottle, it compresses the air trapped inside. Because air resists compression, pressure starts to build. That pressure cannot escape, so it moves through a connecting tube into another bottle partially filled with water. Now the real spectacle begins. The increasing air pressure pushes against the water inside the second bottle. With nowhere else to go, the water is forced upward through a narrow tube and bursts out from the top as a beautiful fountain. The stream rises gracefully into the air before falling back into the upper bowl, creating a mesmerizing cycle that looks almost magical. Many people who see Heron's fountain for the first time believe it creates energy from nothing. But the truth is even more fascinating. The fountain follows the laws of physics perfectly. Its power comes from gravity. As water moves downward through the system, its potential energy is converted into pressure. That pressure is then used to push another portion of water upward. No energy is created and none is destroyed. It is simply transformed from one form into another. This ingenious device is named after Hero of Alexandria, a brilliant Greek mathematician, engineer, and inventor who lived nearly 2,000 years ago. Long before modern technology, Hero designed machines and mechanisms that demonstrated scientific principles in ways that still amaze people today. Even in the modern world, Heron's fountain remains one of the most famous demonstrations of fluid mechanics. It helps students understand gravity, air pressure, energy transfer, and the behavior of fluids through a simple yet captivating experiment. More than anything, Heron's fountain reminds us that science does not always require advanced laboratories or expensive equipment. Sometimes, the most extraordinary lessons can emerge from the simplest materials. It is a timeless celebration of curiosity, creativity, and the hidden forces of nature that shape the world around us.